Welcome to the Amazon, the lung of Mother Earth. Home to an incredible array of life. The Amazon houses 10% of Earth's species. There are over 400 indigenous tribes living in the Amazon rainforest, each with its own unique language, customs, and traditions. But this beautiful paradise is under threat. At current rates of deforestation, 27% of the Amazon will be without trees by 2030. The Amazon acts as our planet's lungs, absorbing billion tons of carbon dioxide yearly and helping regulate the world's climate. But the Amazon is also dying due to wildfires and deforestation, and emitting more CO2. The time is now, and the choice is ours.